It's great when our support teams can go in and answer a bunch of tickets, but it's even better if those tickets never need to go into the system in the first place. So let's take a look at how Jira and Confluence can help us deflect the need for someone to put in a ticket. Let's jump in. Here I am in a Jira service management portal called JQuil JSM, and I would like to get some IT help. So I'm going to click on this request type. I'm going to put in some kind of summary. I found a bug. And you'll see right here, I have some suggested articles. This is because I've set up Jira and Confluence to talk to each other. And Jira will look through Confluence for anything with a keyword in the summary and serve it up. As the customer or person putting in the ticket, I could click on this link and see the entire document right here. Now, this is a simple example with only one thing, but let me show you how I set it up. First, I'm going to want to go into Confluence and make sure I have articles that are in the space. In this example, I have a specific space called Robert Heen that includes a bunch of great information that I would like to share with my customers. I want to make sure that this information has things like keywords and labels to help the system find them. And of course, I would want to build this out with wonderful content on how to deal with bugs. Once I have all of this content created, I'm going to flip over to Jira Service Management. I'll need to be an admin for this project, and I'm going to look for my project settings. Once I come in here, I'm going to want to expand the channels and self-service area and look for knowledge base. I'll click on it, and this will open up this menu, which lets me connect this Jira Service Management project to a Confluence space. In this case, I've tied it to both the Robert Heen and JQuil JSM spaces. Now from here, I could do something like create a new space if I realized, hey, I don't have one yet, or even link another existing space. This lets me quickly connect some other space to this JSM project. And you'll see right here, I can say who can view it and who can edit. I could also unlink it if I wanted to get rid of it. But here at the bottom, I have the ability to control which request types will get suggestions. In the example earlier, I needed IT help. This was turned on, so it was serving up articles. And that is how I set up this connection. I make sure there's good content in Confluence. I then go to my JSM project where I'm an admin and add it to the knowledge base. And that's about it. From here, it will serve up on the front end for customers as they type in keywords found on those pages. And hopefully then they look at this article and realize, hey, I don't have to put in a ticket at all. So my support team can focus on other things that this customer can't solve on their own. This integration also works the other way though. Here I am on a ticket, and I could open up Confluence in another tab or monitor to search for something, but this pulls me off the ticket and it adds steps to my workflow. So instead, I'm just going to go down to the details section and look for this knowledge base menu. I can see that there is one related article. So the Confluence search is serving this up based on what's available on the ticket. I could click on it to open it, or I could even just click this share as comment to automatically pull the hyperlink into my comment box. I could save this directly, add additional context, or modify it. Now, if I realize that that's not exactly the article I want, I can use this search bar to look through all of Confluence, or at least any space connected to this Jira project. And then from here, if I realize that this article needs updating, I could click on it and edit it. Or if I realize that, hey, there's no existing article, I can create a brand new one in any of the spaces that are linked to this Jira Service Management project. All I have to have is appropriate access in Confluence to do this. So this integration is a great way to also speed up agents. You can put information right on the ticket and give them one-click access to what they need to help folks out. So these are two great ways that Jira and Confluence work together. We can automatically serve up knowledge-based articles to customers who might need help. It does require us to have good keywords and labeling, but also I can serve up those articles to my support agents so they can quickly find information without having to fumble through or dig around in Confluence. Please take a look at this feature. It is a great way to support your teams. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. That really lets me know you enjoy it and helps me out. And drop comments with how you use Jira or Confluence or other tools to support your teams. Thanks so much for learning with me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in one of these again soon.